Okay, so I recently installed this recycled AstroTurf from a high school football field in the backyard of my rental here. And it has some stripes that are still on it. So there's going to be a link in the description, but this is what you do for grass and shrubs that are discolored. You can spray this on live grass and it's totally fine. But I'm going to, let's see. So I'm just going to do this white line right here because it's all in the shade right now. I'm going to spray it with this Renew and we'll see how it works. It's kind of cool. Hopefully I can get rid of the stripes. This one is a really solid stripe. That's not paint, that's actually a different color of AstroTurf. Here's a white line, that's just white AstroTurf. Got some blue around the trampoline. Yeah, let's spray this, see what happens. So getting down in this AstroTurf, you can see when you kind of pull it aside that the paint is just surfacey. So it'll probably take a few applications to get it all the right color. Let's check this out. That is crazy, so awesome. And like I said, you can spray this on actual grass, actual shrubs, living plants, and it will not kill them. It's good for like if you're treating a dead spot in the yard where an animal, like a dog's peed or something. That is crazy cool. So it's Grass and Shrub Renew by Seymour, pristine green, brown spot concealer, professional grade, yada yada yada. Let's try it on this. This one's gonna be the challenge. Again, this is white AstroTurf down to the root, right? I call it the root, but the base. So just spraying this on it, it's only getting the surface really. But what a difference, huh? Crazy. This is Arizona living at its finest. We spray paint our fake grass because it's so stinking hot. So that's actually going to work out pretty well. Obviously you can still see that. I have some extra turf here. I was going to cut out this whole section and replace that with this straight green. But that doesn't look too bad for now. Over here, that's where it used to be that discolored line. I'm going to do all this section and I'll show you the end result. Okay, here's the end result. There was a red line right in front of these chairs. There's a white line here, a blue circle around that. Right here you can see the dark line and this dark line, and there was that solid white piece right there. It is noticeable, but of course I just did it. This one will never fully disappear because that's totally discolored anyways, but it just looks awesome. Grass and Shrub Renew. If I had real grass here, I would go spray some on the grass just to see how it works. But check it out. There's a link to buy some on Amazon down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And yeah. Oh, by the way, check out this grass AstroTurf install video I did. I ended up total, including this stuff, with all the spikes and everything, I'm about $1,700–1,800 into this backyard. Instead of, if I had a company do it, it would look perfect if they did it, but it was around $7,000 for that bid. I like saving money, and here's one great way to do it. Thanks for watching.